Hi everyone! Kumusta po kayong lahat? As you can see, I have here an imported echeveria, but seems like this is not happy right now because this is not growing well. And so what I'm thinking is to do the process of beheading. So this technique will not only propagate this plant, but at the same time it will remove the affected area and saving the part that's not affected yet. So I'm gonna start taking out some of the leaves. So this one we can propagate, so make sure the base is still attached. And see, look at this, yung mga niya hindi healthy. So stay with me until the end and I'll show you the process of beheading succulents. So some people, they use a thread to cut it, but I'm not really comfortable doing it or using it. So I have scissors that's sanitized. So there you go. 1, 2, 3. Whoop. So there it is. See, ito na yung that's why hindi maganda na yung growth niya kasi ang dami ng, kumbaga sa tao, if it's human beings, like skin problem. So by doing this, I'm not only propagating the plant, but also at the same time trying to save it from the pest. And so now I can take care of this better, and I'll take out some of the dry leaves underneath the bottom. See, na. This one here, as you can see, there's a room for the new growth to sprout. And this one, same process. I'm gonna let this callus and maybe in two days this will dry, and then I can plant this in a succulent soil mixture. And also I'm gonna wait also for 2 days for this to callus, and then use my alcohol mixture to prevent the pests from spreading. So I'm going to make a follow-up video once I see new growth in this plant, and thank you for watching my video.